welcome back to Crash with Thread. So in this video, if you guys didn't know, on my Instagram, I've been doing this contest called Fashionistar, which is basically a reworked version of the old one. And so here I'm going to be telling you the future steps of the winners, and you may see your photos because I'll be giving honorable mentions since I didn't have too many people participating. I'm going to be putting all participants' pictures up. So without further ado, I'm going to be showing you the winners. Okay, so now that you know the winners, so what you have to do is basically it's like AGNDM, where every week I'll give you a theme. This week's theme is recycling. So basically you can use any recycled items, like water bottles, just recycle things, paper, magazines, anything recycled. What you can use? Recycled fabric. This topic is supposed to be trying to get out of the fabric, like using only fabric. Because in this competition, I was gonna welcome not only fabric, but like most people just submitted fabric. So that's why we're doing this topic. And as well as during this time, it's kind of hard to get like fabric. So sometimes on my channel, I'll be posting some other ways other than fabric to make clothes. So that's theme. And then you guys each give me like another picture, sure, according to the theme. After that, I do another video. Then I'll eliminate one person. And yeah. Until there's like only a couple people left, and we got the final round, and then yeah. Also, some prizes you'll be getting. It's not. I might give you some more stuff, but the basic stuff I'm giving is a lot of posters. So there's going to be a poster of the group. There's going to be a poster of like your best week or your audition, any of those. There's going to be a poster of like just a basic poster, and then you're going to get a certificate that I am making, and stickers that I can DIY, other DIY stuff. So I'm going to give you printables, you can DIY them. And so yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. And in the competition, what I'm looking for is creativity, effort, and like basic overall dress stuff. Like, oh, does it stick out or something like that? And thank you so much for watching, and congrats to everyone. But if you didn't win, I am gonna do another cycle by request from a lot of you. So please enter that. In the future, I'll tell you who can enter and who can't enter. But yeah, don't be discouraged. You did amazing. It was really hard to choose everyone that I picked. Like, everyone was so close to winning. And that's why I put all of your photos up there. And yeah, keep your fashion skills up. Oh, and if you want, you can work some people do this with AGMDM where they like do the themes with the show. So if you want, you can join and do the recycle theme. And even if you still use the hashtag Fashionistar competition, because like I would like to see it, and maybe in the end of each episode I might put some of those like fan pics. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you so much. Bye.